G'day crafty chums, it's Nicky here, and I'm coming at you today with a pouring video. I've done pourings previously, but I haven't done it for a long time, probably 2 years maybe, and so I thought I'd give it another go, because when I was out the other day I saw some pre-mixed pouring paint, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to give that a go, see what it's like. So this is a pour with just 4 colours from the pre-mixed pouring medium with some white acrylic paint and Floetrol in the to put on the base, to give it a medium to actually move around in. And as I said, it's been a while since I've done this, so I forgot to get myself some gloves. Oh well. So the 4 colours I used, I'm going to pour on 3 canvases, and the 4 colours that I've used are, let's see what it says here: lilac, cobalt, midnight, and this is what they've called it in galaxy. And this is supposedly a galaxy pour, so the colours of the galaxy. And yeah, I'm going to show you photographs at the end of the actual dried canvases, and they're quite flat in the colour, and that's okay. And I did get good coverage from the paints, which was always nice to know. And yeah, so I tried 3 slightly different pours. I did add just 1 drop of oil into each cup, and to try and bring up some cells, but that didn't work. So I don't think I bothered showing you the torching or anything in this bit. Oh yeah, I did a bit of torching there, but seriously, no cells. So when I try this again, I shall add some more oil to it and see whether I get any cells with that. As you can see, I'm just moving it around to try and get full coverage. I actually think I dipped some in there. I got a great big blob of blue just there, so I put in some purple, which they call galaxy as a colour, and that didn't turn out very well either. And then as I was trying to cover the sides of the canvas, I actually dropped the canvas. So when I dropped it, I don't know whether I've actually got this on the camera here. I'll just wait and see. When I dropped it, I decided to turn the canvas upside down and squidge it into the paint instead to see what happened. And it's okay. It turned out okay. So I didn't show you that. I thought maybe I wasn't going to show that part of the video at all, but because I dropped it. But hey, you'll see the finished one at the end. And I thickened up the base. I think I thickened up the base on the second canvas, the white paint, the base paint layer there, because on the first pour I felt that the white was too thin. So I added more paint to it to thicken it up, and it worked better. And that, as you can see, I do a two cup flip. I only needed to use a very small amount of the paint, which was great to cover 3 canvases. And I was left over with the white as well, which I've put into another little tube ready for my next pouring session. So I left those cups for a little while to see how much paint I could get out, and then I'm just covering it over with the colour there as well. And yeah, as I say, they worked out okay. I was a bit disappointed that I wasn't able to get any cells at first attempt to come out. As I say, but my next attempt with this, I'll just use more oil and see what happens. So there we go. That's my third one, and to give it a bit more interest, I actually added glitter on top of this. And in the photos at the end, you won't be able to see the shine on it, of course, because glitter doesn't photograph very well, does it? No, it does not. So I think I wipe off my hands, and I've actually still 3 days later, I've still got paint-covered hands. So gloves, I will be wearing gloves for my next attempt. It's not a good look when you go to work and you're still covered in acrylic paint. That's me adding the glitter, and I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you want to see me continue with the paint pouring, and I shall oblige. See you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.